Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to codingscientist.com. Artificial intelligence and robotics in Jetson Nano using JetBot robotic kit. Sorry, I have a pretty bad throat. Anyways, so guys, we are on lesson number 22 and we are going to start plugging in our JetBot with the monitor and keyboard, and also we are going to install the SD card. So before we proceed further, I hope you guys are ready with the entire assembly of JetBot. So this is how it should look like once you put together the entire kit. So this is the final build, right? So your entire hardware is ready now with the battery and stuff like that. And now it's time to connect rest of the other stuff which I'm going to show you now, and then start working on the software part. So let's take a look at it from what we are going to do. So let me just share my secondary videos so that you guys will have a clear view of what I'm trying to do. So first of all, take out the SD card which you have copied your JetBot operating system. In the previous lesson I showed you. So what you need to do is you got to insert this just SD card very carefully in Jetson Nano. This is your entire operating system. Uh, Tilt your Jetson Nano like this. Okay, it's right behind this GPU. Okay, just look at the positioning how it is. It's not on the front. This is the front side of Jetson Nano where you have four USBs and HDMI port and RJ45 port as well. If you tilt it back side, on the rear, this is where you find the SD card slot. Okay, can you see that? A very minute slot here. So you got to carefully insert like this side of the SD card, this side should go towards like this, towards the board. Okay, so you got to put it very carefully, insert it like this inside the slot, and just push it till you can hear a click, or you might actually feel it. There you go, I can feel the click. So till you feel that click, you just have to push it very softly and it will just sit in here. So if you can see this carefully, right, you can see the SD card at the bottom. So once you are done with this, now I'm going to let's move on to the next step. So most important thing guys, so along with your JetBot kit you would have received a battery charger like this. Okay, this has got a small barrel jack which basically fits into, let me just show you, which basically fits into this particular slot here at the back to charge your battery. This is the slot, right, just right next to the antenna. So this is where your battery charger port, the barrel jack, fits in. However, the most important aspect for initial setup of the software till we go headless mode, it's very important that you use another adapter like this, which comes with different kind of barrel jack which fits into Jetson Nano directly. This is basically 5 volt 4 ampere power adapter. So you may you generally don't get this adapter along with your JetBot kit. You have to buy this separately. This is very important guys. You cannot boot your Jetson Nano with the battery. You need to have this power adapter which is 5 volt 4 ampere. Make a note of it. It's a 5 volt 4 ampere with this kind of barrel jack for Jetson Nano. This is specific to Jetson Nano. Anything below 4 ampere is not going to work. So make a note of it. Anything below 4 ampere is not going to work. You got to really make sure that you have this adapter with you before we progress further, because most of the software build we will be using the adapter directly. Once we set up and configure, this may not be required. So we will unplug everything and then we will boot remotely through the web browser, and that's where the real magic is going to happen. So go ahead and buy this. It's not going to cost more than probably about $1,000, 1,000 rupees from the Nvidia business partners, right? So you can go ahead and buy this. Now what we will do is, Let me let's connect once you power up, not this adapter but the power adapter for Jetson Nano. We once you power it up, you need to fix your HDMI port. Okay, so this is your HDMI cable which connects to your monitor or your television, whatever you have as a monitor. You can go ahead and do that. You need to have one set of HDMI cable which comes along with Jetson Nano developer kit as well. So you got to plug it in here, right here, just below this, right here. This is your HDMI port. Okay, once you plug it, it's perfect. Now what you need to do, you will have to look for a Bluetooth wireless keyboard and a mouse which comes like this with a set of mouse. This particular dongle comes with a mouse, a Bluetooth mouse, and also a keyboard. I bought it from Logitech. It's available anywhere in open source market in any of the nearby shops. It's pretty easy to get it for you. All right, now what we got to do is just plug it in one of the USBs, any USB. There are 4 USB ports. You can just plug it in here and you are all set with your keyboard and mouse. You are all set. All right, so once you are ready with this, guys, we will rock and roll with the next lesson where we will boot up Jetson Nano JetBot. Okay, and I am going to show you step by step how to start configuring. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye.